Hey old friends, checking in on our lovely metal again today. A day late, but it looks like whatever consolidation and bearish signal that was inside this wedge finally broke. And yesterday we changed our approach from this wedge, which broke, and then went right back inside the pattern, and we said, okay, probably not a wedge anymore, let's reassess what's going on. And we drew ourselves a nice little strange looking channel. And that is really all we were trying to figure out what was going on. So we obviously broke our hourly lows. We broke outside of the descending or the ascending wedge. So we said, all right, not going to be a wedge anymore. It's going to be this channel. Now I wanted to point this out because here we go. We come back up. We've set our second high at 1310. We come back down and we see some support at that level. Finally, that support breaks. And then we come down, we knock out 1301. So the key takeaway today is, yes, we had a shape of an ascending triangle that was a tip, that there was some downside coming along here. It broke. It wasn't a true break. We got right back inside that pattern. So what do? We go back, reassess, trying to figure out what's going on. We drew ourselves a nice little trend line, and we said, you know what? Let's just play this channel. Let's play these hourly and 4-hour supports. So the 4-hour trend, it was setting higher highs and higher lows, and that continues until it doesn't work anymore. Here's this trend. We break outside the trend, dump, and I am willing to bet you that the big volume really started to come in when we set a new lower low below 1301. So as soon as we lost that 4-hour support, and if we go to the hourly support, I bet you that's when the volume picks up. So here we are with a signal, resistance at our trend line support, break, we get a rejection from our EMA 12, and if we go to our 2-minute time frame, let's go check that out. Look for our break. Here we are. Support found right at that level, right around 1301. Bounce up to EMA 26, EMA 12 rather, on the 2-minute, and then volume comes in. Soon as we break, this is when we get the big volume spike and things really start moving for the bears. So let's take a look at what's happening and what's next. We're going to check out our hourly time frame to see what our next support levels are. Looks like we have a bounce underway, and it's really overdue. We hit RSI was down to the 21s, and again on this drop we hit 22, so not unexpected to have an hourly bounce here. For this to hold and to have bounce to have any legs, of course, we need to get a nice close over EMA 26. Oftentimes you'll see these bounces come up, consolidate nice and slow, hit that EMA, and then continue to the downside. So we've lost hourly support. The next hourly support is not down until 1284, which is right here. So if we continue and turn this a little bit of a bounce into a 4-hour bear flag, that's a good target. And let's go check out that 4-hour. Here we are. Nice lower wick. Now we're building our case for our bear flag over the next 8 to 12 hours. We might see that develop. Should that continue, knock out 1284. Next support is going to be 1280. And that's really all there is to it today. Thanks for watching again, and see you tomorrow.